Hello everyone, VentorTech is in touch, and today we are going to make an inventory using a Ventor PRO application. Let's see how it goes. So in this case, we as a pickers, as a normal warehouse worker, so we don't know how many items we need to scan. We just need to scan everything we can find on these shelves. So first of all, we are going to open an inventory adjustment menu where we can see all the products we have in a warehouse. And we are going to do a so-called blind inventory. So what it means, let's open settings here. So first of all, we activated start count from 0 and hide products quantity. So what it means? That means that when we are starting inventory, we see no available quantity or expecting quantity to be inventoried. We are starting to count from 0. We see no from what we are going to start. If you go to Odoo and start to apply quantity, Odoo immediately applies the quantity, expecting quantity. If we expect to see 5, we will see 5. So if we expect to have 3, we will see 3. So as simple as that. So, but in this case, we can scan the location to filter it, all the inventory list just to this location, and start to scan all items that we can find in this location. So let's do it. So we're going to start from shelves. So we're going to scan items or locations or both at the same time to filter all the items we have in the list, because we are not going to make an inventory of all the warehouse. We just need to make an inventory for just these 3 items here. So I can scan the location first and see that we have this tier here with we are starting from 0 as we discussed. So let's scan it. So it's 1. Okay, I'm going to apply it. And I don't know how much I should expect here on the shelf. So I just going straight to the next shelf. So I'm remove the filter and scan the next location. So we have a set of pens here. So let's scan 1. It's 50 because in the box we have 50. And the next box, so 100. So I'm clicking apply here. That's also okay. So in the final one, we have a blue mark here. So we have 5. So let's scan the location. So I see that we have laptops here as well, but everything like 0 here. And we are going to find blue mark. It's here. Okay. Now we can scan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can simply scan it 5 times. So it's 4. Okay, one more time. Yeah, 5 out of 5. And click apply. So it seems like this is it. As simple as that. So at this point, as you might see, we don't know how many items I should scan. So that means if suddenly I have found 5 caps and only 4 is needed, the one can be just go straightforward to my home from the warehouse. And in case if we don't know the exact quantity, we just need to scan everything we can find and put it into the system. So it's like anti-thief protection here. So from VentorTech. Well, now you know how to do inventory using inventory adjustment. So remember, you can scan the location to filter by it, or you can straightforward scan just one item. So let me show this after one inventory was done. So let's scan it. So and we already see like 1 and the last quantity was 1 and we're ready to apply it. So that's as simple as that. If you still have any questions, we would love to answer your questions here on YouTube sections below. So just drop your comment here or just drop us an email. If you have any question related to the Odoo implementation, barcode management, inventory management, anything related to our products, connectors, As I said, we would love to answer all your questions. And see you very, very soon here on YouTube channel of VentorTech. Bye!